What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, what I'm doing today is I'm going to be fastening some Simson's strong ties, and the one I'm just starting to do right now is, what is this? This is basically a tie that connects the stud to the bottom plate. I have already fastened most of those ties. I just basically just showing you the process of how I go along doing it. I'm using 1.5 inch nails. What I'm doing there, the nails there, as you can see, there are some nails on the floorboard and there are some nails in this container. The nails in the container are the recommended nails by Simson's strong ties, but I am combining them. I'm using the regular 1.5 inch nails and I'm using Simson's strong ties nails. So I'm just mixing it together. I mean, the regular nails, they do a fine job. The only thing is that they might be a little smaller than the Simson's strong tie, but they still get the job done. You'll observe that it's fastened both up and down, both to the bottom plate and the double top plate. As you can see, I am practically done with that type of fastener of Simson's strong tie. I wanted to put over the windows as well. I may, but it depends. So as I showing you guys this, yeah, in this corner there I'm missing just about 2 of them, which I'll do eventually. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some more fasteners in the corners, some angle irons, 90-degree angle irons in the corners. Is just to avoid any movement. I'm actually using 2.5 inch nails for this one. Now here's all where I have put those 90-degree angle irons. Check them out. For now they are only on the bottom plate. Eventually I'm going to put some on the top plate. Okay, so what I'm about to do here is I just realized that this wall on my right hand side, it's a little off plumb, so I'm just going to see if I can use my ratchet. I do see it so possible if I can use my ratchet to see if I can pull that wall to make it a little bit more plumb. I doubt it's going to work, but nothing beats a trial, right? Well, I wasn't so successful, but it brought me a little bit. It made it a little better than it was. So it's alright. I'll have to leave it like that. Okay guys, as you can see, I removed the tarpaulin and I have two guys helping me out. We're going to attempt to put up this side of the roof. Yeah, I have all the purlins and they just started fastening them. We're using some 3.5-inch screws and we're giving them basically one screw in each rafter. All purlins are up now and we put up about half of the roofing sheets and another half to go. You ready? And that's it, we're done. Rocky the dog. The Rocky dog. Got a mango on the tree, man. So now that half of the roof is done, I went on to placing in some more ties. This time I'm strapping on some all-purpose straps. That's to basically to connect the first floor with the ground floor and to keep it solid as one member. I must say that those take a lot of nails. I'm using 2-inch nails for those. Sorry about the lighting, by the way. So I went around the entire building placing those all-purpose straps. As you can see, in different positions, I have placed them all around the building for added strength. I think that's about it for this video, and thank you guys for watching. I trust that you all enjoyed this video. It's been a while since I posted a video. Yeah, but it is what it is. Things can only be done on the right time, and nothing happens by accident, and everything happens on the time. So once again, I do thank you guys for watching. Brutus.